I spoke to a civil attorney here in Michigan who has represented families of victims in officer-involved shootings who shared a similar message. Attorney Van Johnson tells me this case can be brought to both a civil court and criminal court. Right now, though, everything is being reviewed, including video. We do want to warn you this may be difficult for some viewers. New video was released this afternoon of the deadly shooting in Minnesota. This is from the involved officer's perspective. In the video, there's an exchange with Renee Good, the woman he's accused of shooting seconds later.
We don't change our plates every morning, just so you know. It'll be the same plate when you come talk to us later. That's fine. U.S. citizen, former veteran. You want to come at us? You want to come at us? I say go get yourself some lunch, big boy. Go ahead.
Out of the car. Get out of the car. Out of the car.
Civil attorney Van Johnson telling me this case should have enough evidence to be taken to court.
He has absolutely, in my opinion, utilized excessive force.
This is under investigation by the FBI. However, Johnson explains the local jurisdiction has the ability to also bring charges if evidence is presented.
He should be held accountable.
During a White House news conference, Vice President J.D. Vance says there's precedent in this case and he believes the officer is protected.
You have a federal law enforcement official engaging in federal law enforcement action. That's a federal issue. That guy is protected by absolute immunity. He was doing his job.
What he's telling you is that the fix is going to be in. The Trump administration is going to do their best to influence the Department of Justice not to bring charges, which I think is a travesty of justice. I think that no one is above the law.
Johnson says qualified immunity protects government officials like law enforcement from personal liability in civil lawsuits. Under the doctrine, people would have to clearly violate an established law. Johnson doesn't believe that should be the case. He thinks regardless of job or status, everyone should be treated equal.
The fact that this lady is dead is a travesty. What's going to be even worse is if we don't bring her family justice through the criminal courts. And that is like a enlarging, if you will, of an open wound to these folks.
Johnson tells me that a court case like this one could take years. There's a lot of evidence to be collected, from videos to interviews of witnesses. As of right now, this is still under investigation.